What's up, Kia to Technical? I'm back again with another video. So today Torras was kind enough to send me out another case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the Torras Diamond Clear, and this is a clear case like it says. So now let's just unbox it and see what we get. Uh-oh, I see what I see, and I like what I see. You get your interchangeable buttons. That is a win for me. I love these things, orange and silver. So this is what your case looks like. It's just a clear case. They call this the diamond case because it's pretty much clear. And you get that MagSafe ring. So we're gonna pick up your iPhone 15 Pro Max. We're gonna throw it in like so. And like I always say, I am a sucker when it comes to a clear case. Clear case to show off that beautiful iPhone 15 Pro Max. Titanium in white. I just love it. But anyways, you get your power button. Nice and clicky, and it is interchangeable. Then at the bottom here, you get all your cutouts that are supposed to be there. It says Torras. It's the brand there. Up here, you get your button for your action button. You get a button for your action button. You get your volume up and down button, which are nice and clicky. Up at the top, you don't have anything. Coming to the back, you get that MagSafe ring, like I said. There's your Apple logo. You get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place it flat down on the table, I know you'll be good to go. And I didn't show you the lip, but you do get enough lippage. You get the lippage that I like. So if you place this flat down on the table, I know you'll be good to go. But if you want to be even more careful, then throw a screen protector on that screen and you'll be even better. But overall, this case looks nice. It feels nice. It's a clear case, you know. I don't know if it'll yellow. It might yellow later down the line. So this is a case that I'll rock, but I won't rock this every single day or every single week. I'll rock it every now and then. Just all depend on how I feel and where I'm going. So now let's test out those charging MagSafe charger. It works just like that. Let me see here. Yep, it works just like that, like it's supposed to. Then, if you do not have a MagSafe capable charger, you will have access to just regularly using your wireless charger. But if you don't even have a wireless charger, then you can come to your USB Type-C cable, plug it in just like that, and you will be good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.